Okay, bud, I'm going to read you, or tell you to read some words to me, or tell me some words, alright? Say triangle without try. Angle. Spectator without spec. Good job. Compensate without com. Furniture without fur. Okay, be really loud, alright? Balcony without bow. Canoe. Tambourine without tam. Yeah, tambourine without tam. Burine. You say burine. Alright. Porcupine without pour. Without pour. Okay. Let's try this one. Nearly without near. Marble without bull. Marble without bull. We have marble without bull. Mar. Elder without L. Der. Index without in. Good job. Neighbor without nay. Good. Be extra loud, okay? Central without sin. Troll. Object without ob. Husky without hus. Falcon without foul. Shelter without shell. Menu without men. Very good. Okay, we're getting ready to point and sing, okay? I'm going to do it first, right? Yep. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And I pointed to every letter, and I did 2 taps on W to make sure that we don't get ahead of ourselves, okay? Now it's your turn, and be extra loud. E, F, G, K, L, M, N, O, P. Very good. We're going to do it one more time, and I'm going to sing it real quietly with you, and I want you to be extra loud. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. One more time. A, E, F, G, H, I, J, L, M. Very good, Tyler. So now I'm going to cover up a mystery letter. Here, close your eyes. All right, which one am I going to choose? Okay, open. Now, this is my mystery letter. I want you to sing to my mystery letter. Oh, here's H. Keep going.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L.
Oop, we're going to stop. Let's do it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. What was the mystery letter?
K.
Very good. Okay, close your eyes. Find another mystery letter. Okay, my mystery letter's under right there. Let's do this. A, B, C, What was it? Very good. Very good. Okay, so we played mystery letter, and now we're going to do spot the vowel. Okay?
I don't want that.
You know which one that is? Now we've done this before, haven't we? All
I
right.
do this cool.
Look at that word and tell me what the vowel sound is.
A.
That's the letter A. What sound does it make?
A.
Remember, A, apple,
A.
ah. Say ah. Okay. So what is the vowel sound in that word?
A.
Ah.
Give me a
Okay.
hard one.
Here's a hard one. All right. Tell me the vowel sound in that word.
Oh.
Very good. You are right. All right. Tell me the vowel sound in that word.
A.
Okay. What letter is that? Do you know what letter it
I.
is? It's I. Okay. So what sound does that say?
A.
Try again.
E.
Okay. So let's go back through. What vowel sound do you see in this word?
A.
What letter is it?
A.
A. And A says
A.
ah. Okay. Ah.
A.
Okay. Let's go to the next one. What vowel? Good
O.
job. It's O and it says ah. Perfect. What about in this word?
I. A.
I. I.
E.
Like itch. I.
Also
Okay.
my cat. What is my cat? It's
Uh-huh. Let's go back through. What's the vowel?
A. I.
Oh,
A. A.
it's A and it says
A. A.
ah.
A.
Ah. Okay. What about this one?
O. O.
Very good. You're really good at that one. What about this one?
I. E.
I. Very nice. Now we're going to look at the words and try to say all three sounds. Okay, back to our first word. What's very good?
A.
Remember, what does A say?
A.
Ah.
A. Mm.
Okay, you just told me that this is ah. Do you know what word you just read?
Ne.
An.
And.
That's this part of the word. Now we need to do and.
And.
What word is that?
And.
Can.
Here.
Oh, listen to me. Can.
Can.
Can. You can do it. You can do it. Okay, now we're on this word. This word
Ah.
has the ah sound. And you just told me all the sounds. Say them again.
Ah.
Do you know what word you just read?
No.
Not.
Watch.
What word was it?
Not.
Not.
Like you see.
Good job. Okay, do you remember the vowel sound?
What? Eh.
Those are L's, so you're going to say ooh.
What?
What sound does the I say?
Eh.
Okay?
What?
Eh. Ooh. W, I, ooh. W, I, ooh. Wi, ooh. Close. Will. Will. Very good. So we have can, not, and will. Which one was the hardest? Now, will was the hardest. Which one was the easiest for you? Oh, can was the easiest? Very good. Thank you for your hard work.